Okay, this is my Illinois. And a lot of people always ask me, they always ask me about stuff. This is Corey Kispert lottery, okay? And I'm showing you today is the pick threes and pick four. So this is Corey Kispert lottery and my indication strategies. Okay, this is what this video about. Corey lottery indication strategies. Okay, now my indication strategies are what I've been showing you lately, and this is what I've been doing in Illinois myself over the last pair of years. You can see my lifetime situation in Illinois. It's 68, 587. It's my lifetime, and last year I won about $18,542 mostly. Current growth was 2,753, and then last month I was at 560. Okay, you know what I'm saying? So now this is just what you looking at current growth and situation 60s and all that stuff, right? But you can see right now in the pick three and pick four, because it will tell you about hits. And that's the one you want to look at. See that word right there, HIT. That's what you're really looking at. See how many hits you really hit. And then hit ratio and winning money. So that's what you want to look at. So in reality, you see a hit here this current month, nothing. I won no money at all, right? Now, last month in Illinois, I won $40. Okay, current years, I won over $1,390, and then last year I won over $13,800. Now that just telling you how much I won over that time period of year. That don't mean I won that much at one time. That just tell you how much I won in that time period. Now over years, I won over $35,970. That's how much I made over times 9 in one time period. See, that's what I'm saying. So I don't play around when I say I play the numbers and stuff. I keep all my current stuff on this, on my current board. You know what I'm saying? You can always keep a current strategy board yourself. You know what I'm saying? See, like I said right here, I haven't won nothing yet this month. Was this March 9th? I won zero. Look at the pick four. I won nothing so far yet. Yeah, my pick four is a zero. That's kind of terrible, ain't it? So that's just what you hit. You're looking at winning. Winning is zero. And see, that's the same thing. Winning here is zero. That's what you're looking at. You look at that. Last month I won same thing, nothing. Here I had won what's that? $500 in pick four. And then I won over 7,400 over 5 years in pick four. And then this is my win over years, 27,200. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you're looking at now. We could go to pick five. It's a little lotto or something. You know what I'm saying? One nothing, zero here, zero there. How much I won? $160. That ain't a lot of money. $480 my whole entire year. My lifetime on $480. Whoopee. Right? And then here pick six. Okay, zero. Zeros. $90 one time. In my life history, I wanted to pick six is $190. Okay, can we go any farther down than the pick six? No, that's it. That's all you can do. Pick six, pick five. So that's the lotto, something like that. So this is all the money I won. So nobody can sit back and say, "Oh, do you actually play the lottery?" Yeah, I played the lottery. Yeah, I keep a keen eye on everything I do. I don't sit here, falsify. This is the reason why they call me Corey Lottery. You know what I'm saying? There's other states I have played in before too, and I will show you that next time. I'm just making a short video, screenshot. My win is this month. Now, if I win some money this month, you'll see it up on the board. You know what I'm saying? Instead of seeing the zeros all the time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this month you see my current winning this month since I've been doing this training stuff. Showing y'all stuff. But mostly my thing is on promotion on the dogs. So yeah, only haven't won no money yet. Yeah, $0. So just like any average human being, pick four, $0. Haven't won no money yet. I'm just waiting to win some money. I hope my numbers come out. I lose money too. Yeah, but over time you'll see that. You'll see my winnings up there, and I will broadcast my winnings when I win it, money as well. Like right now, I'm not winning too much anything, but you seen what I did over some time. Like last month I won $40. Here you see I won $1,390. I put out every percentage down on my chart list for everybody can know. And it's over a lifetime. I won this much. I would not go win this much money at one time. 13,800. That is over time. And 35,000 over lifetime. 35,990. See that lifetime. Last year, current, last. See, you make your chart list, you make them like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do no video showing you how you should make a chart list, but this is how you know if and nobody can sit back and say, "Oh, you win a lot of money," or is this reason why they call you Corey Lottery Man? Well, I call me Corey Lottery Man because I'm an honest person about how these lottery numbers are. I use my own images. I ain't telling you this is the way a lottery play because they use a ball and they use machines and stuff, but this is the way the numbers are being picked nowadays because these balls not showing on TV. They just what you call, they just some kind of electronic stuff they doing nowadays. They're not really showing you these numbers. So, yeah, this is the way I play it. Remember to come to my dog training video stuff. This mostly promotion stuff like I'm doing on dog training. So, thank you again.